Welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. Microsoft's Surface Duo is coming to us in September and is going to cost a hefty $13.99 US if you buy it unlocked. For that price, you'll get the Duo with 128GB, and for another $100 you can upgrade to the 256GB model. Now, it's cool to see Microsoft back in the phone business, but we have to address the elephant in the room: the specifications. For a brand new phone launching with an ultra premium price tag, you would probably expect more than last year's Snapdragon 855. For a phone with two 5.6-inch displays, you would probably expect more than a 3577 mAh battery. For a phone launching in mid-2020, you would probably expect bezels smaller than my Xperia Z from 2013. There's more too. It doesn't come with the Surface Pen, it's going to weigh 250 grams, and the wide footprint on the phone will make it pretty hard to hold. It does have some neat tricks, like being able to bundle two apps together when you tap the icon so both launch instantly. It's also nice to see integration with a Windows PC, such as launching apps and getting notifications directly on the desktop. But unfortunately, I just don't see these features as being enough to justify the price tag. I think Microsoft will be rapidly improving their products just as they have done with their other Surface devices. So personally, I am going to give this one a skip and see what comes down the road later. New first-person shooter Scape is having a rough time after its release. Viewership on Twitch fell very quickly after the release to just 11,000 viewers tuning in to watch various people playing the game. Those numbers suck, to be honest. Fall Guys, another battle royale game that launched last week, has seen over 300,000 active viewers in the same day, whilst the big games like Fortnite, Warzone, PUBG and others regularly bring in hundreds of thousands of viewers. Now, this doesn't mean the game is dead, but it does mean that Ubisoft will need to try harder to get this game across to players and streamers to convince them to try it. Finally, Microsoft confirmed this week that the new Xbox Series X will be launching in November. There's no exact date confirmed by Microsoft, but we've been tipped off that distributors are preparing to release the Xbox on November the 6th. Speaking of Xbox, its flagship title Halo Infinite has been delayed until 2021. This is due to the coronavirus pandemic, as many employees have shifted to working from home, which has made development more difficult. No doubt this could hurt the launch of the Xbox, but to be fair, releasing an unfinished game would surely hurt it even more, so they're probably making the right choice here. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks, and see you next time.